Hi, I'm James Wright and welcome to Kamara, your photo, video and drone specialists. I may not come across as passionate in my videos. I'm well aware that my voice is not the jolliest, but believe me, I'm highly passionate and want to do the best I possibly can at all times. I recently reached the summit of Kilimanjaro just before COVID-19 kicked in with only 3 weeks notice, and which was spent in deep preparation in Las Vegas on a commission. My career as an international specialist motorcycling photographer saw me working for almost every brand of modern motorcycle manufacturer you can name. And being Lincolnshire born and bred, I've made it my mission to provide forward-thinking Lincolnshire business owners and managers with the levels of service expected by my international clients at local prices. If you haven't already, you can visit our website at KamaraVideo.com. I suggest you don't just do a search for Kamara Video or you'll end up with some guy kicking a ball around or being a TV pundit. Here you can find the answers to many questions relating to our services and how you can get the most out of them. And if you're serious about your visual, digital, media and image, simply complete the contact form and someone will get back to you. Or if you're up against a tight deadline requiring urgent attention, the telephone and email details are on the site. Thanks, and I hope to see you on site soon.